Rawat, Faculty of Artificial Intelligence. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRL International School. This video is based on the career counseling session. I will explain here why subject AI is important and how it will be helpful for your career. Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making computer machines unable to perform tasks which normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. It is a branch of the computer science that aims to develop intelligent computer machines. It is a simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. AI has made it possible to deposit checks from the comfort of your home. AI is proficient in deciphering handwriting, making online checks processing practicable. The way fraud can be detected by observing users' credit cards spending pattern is also an example of AI. It is used to provide personalized recommendation to people based, for example, on their previous searches and purchases or other online behavior. AI is hugely important in commerce, optimizing products, planning, inventory, logistics, etc. Today, AI is popular in all the streams, science, commerce, and humanities. Topics covered under artificial intelligence, AI application and methodologies, maths for AI values, ethical decision making, and bias awareness, data analysis, computational thinking, regression, classification, and clustering. AI techniques, the main algorithm applied in power system, artificial neural networks, fuzzy logic system, genetic algorithm, particle swarm optimization, colony optimization, simulated annealing, and evolutionary computing. Basic differential calculation with a bit of multivariable calculus, coordinate transformation, and nonlinear transformation. These are the keys idea in machine learning or AI. Linear and high order regression make prediction based on existing data. Logistic regression, they classify a piece of data as one thing or another. Machine learning bias, also sometimes called algorithm bias or AI bias. It is a phenomena that occurs when an algorithm produces results that are symmetrically prejudiced due to erroneous assumption in the machine learning process. Computational thinking teaches the use of abstraction and decomposition when solving complex problems. It presents a framework for understanding algorithms and it describes essential concepts in dealing with data and code in expressing the limits of modern computing machinery. Why study AI? AI technology is important because it enables human capabilities, understanding, reasoning, planning, communication, and perception to be undertaken by software increasingly effectively, efficiently, and at low cost. Just because terms like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data analytics have become buzzy words, it absolutely fine. If you want to explore the fields of data science, machine learning, AI. It is used in healthcare industry. It uses an mobile application, detecting fraud, linked to data science, online customer support, and automobile industry. The course is related artificial intelligence, Bachelor of Technology, Artificial Intelligence, Postgraduate Program in AI, PG Diploma in Artificial Intelligence, Advanced Program in Artificial Intelligence, BTech in Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning is an undergraduate program with advanced learning solutions imparting knowledge of advanced innovation like machine learning, often called deep learning, and artificial intelligence. PG program in AI and machine learning covers Python for data science, NLP, PG diploma in artificial intelligence, that is PGDAI, comprehensive program that combines data science, machine learning, and deep learning to prepare candidates for the roles of applied AI scientists, applied AI engineers, AI architects, technology architects, solution engineer, technology consultants, advanced program in AI, powered marketing, artificial intelligence and machine learning enabled marketing decision has the potential to create huge value for every businesses, especially those in the B2C space. Opportunities in artificial intelligence, game programmer, robotic scientist, computer scientist, software engineer. Game designer must possess a bachelor's or diploma in game designing or bachelor's degree in computer science engineering or other equivalent fields. Many universities and colleges these days offers bachelor's degree in computer game development. For robotic scientist, candidate must have pursued a diploma, bachelor's or master's degree in robotics engineering from a recognized institute. The candidate must have opted for a specialized course in robotics engineering, such as automation, micro robotics, medical robotics, design and control, robot motion planning. Degrees are good stepping stones for aspiring game program. Computer science is the study of how data and instruction are processed, stored, and communicated by computing devices. It involves designing software and addressing fundamental scientific questions about the nature of computation, but also involves many aspects of hardware and the architecture of large computer systems. Game programmer writes the code that brings a video game to life. They work closely with producer and other departments, game design, art and animation, sound, etc. to translate the project vision into a fully functioning playable game. The job responsibilities of game programmer are to translate requirement into a complicated but clean and efficient code, to construct the base or the engine on which the game will run, to produce prototype of gameplay ideas and features, to develop, schedule and determine milestones, to generate game script and storyboards, to animate characters and objects. Shigeru Miyamoto is a Japanese game designer, producer and game director at Nintendo, where he served as one of its respective directors. He is the creator of some of the most acclaimed and best-selling game franchises of all the time, including Mario and The Legend of Zelda. Roberta Williams is an American video game designer, writer, and co-founder of Cydia Online, who developed her first game while living in Simi Valley, California. She is the most famous for her work in the field of graphic adventure game with titles such as Mystery House, the King's Quest series, etc. A robotic engineer designs prototypes, builds and tests machines, and maintains the software that controls them. They also conduct research to find the most cost-efficient and safest process to manufacture their robotic system. Melanie Weiss is a supervised the development of mobile manipulator after Unbounded Robotics shut down in 2014. She co-founded Fetch Robotics, which has raised $20 million in series of funding for its Fetch mobile manipulator and Freight autonomous mobile car. Steve Cousins is passionate about building and deploying robotic technology to help people. Before founding Savio, he was the president and CEO of Willow Garage, where he oversaw the creation of the robot operating system, the PR2 robot, and the open source TurtleBot. Computer scientists study experimenting and investigating technological fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and virtual reality, seeking to improve the performance of existing computer systems and software. They are developing new hardware or computing techniques and materials. Barbara Liskov, American computer scientist who won the 2008 AM Turing Award, the highest honor in computer science, for her pioneering work in the designing of computer programming language. Elon Musk co-founded the electronic payment firm PayPal and founded the spacecraft company SpaceX. He became chief executive officer of the electric car maker Tesla. Software engineer. The job responsibility of software engineer: improving system quality by identifying issues and common patterns and developing standard operating procedures. Enhancing application by identifying opportunities for improvement, making recommendation and designing and implementing system. Maintaining and improving existing code bases and peer review code changes, investigating and using new technologies where it is relevant. Benny Bansal is an Indian billionaire internet entrepreneur. In 2007, he co-founded the e-commerce platform Flipkart with Sachin Bansal and served as a chief operating officer until 11 January 2016 and was then promoted to chief executive officer. Benny Bansal, who retains a small stake in Flipkart, he is the anchor investor in venture firm 021 Capital, which is focused on investing in biotechnology, agri-tech, and the internet. And Dennis Ritchie was an American software engineer. He created the C programming language and long-time colleague Ken Thompson, the Unix operating system and B programming language. Universities offering artificial intelligence courses in India: IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Madras. Companies recruiting for artificial intelligence: Wed and Wendy, Textio, Oracle, CloudMinds, Data Robots, Unilever, and many more. Unilever deployed HireView AI-driven assessment and achieved £1 million annual cost saving, a 90% reduction in time to hire, and a 16% increase in hiring diversity. AI apps are cloud-based applications powered with machine learning and artificial intelligence. The Oracle AI app suites automate routine tasks, surfaces anomalies, proactively provide insight. CloudMinds built up human augmented robotics intelligence platform and has applied it to some significant areas such as blind guiding, etc. The operator has created the world's first cloud-based terminal data series, and it is now working on constructing the backbone network worldwide. America's most promising artificial intelligence company, Textio CEO honored with Executive Excellence Award. Thank you, students. If you still have any questions, please drop in the comment section. You will get a reply soon. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.